Now let's break into our breaking story of the day, and the Binance CEO, CZ, predicting a $60 million Bitcoin price, as well as his latest predictions revolving around the price action post-halving 2024. As we all know, there's a Bitcoin halving scheduled to take place in April, which is roughly 6 months out. So let's break this one down. Shout out to CZ, the fearless leader of the top crypto exchange in the world, Binance. Here we go. Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, the world's largest Bitcoin and crypto exchange, expressed his belief that the next Bitcoin halving, scheduled for April 2024, could usher in a period of renewed price growth. Send it. Let's go. Bitcoin halvings, which we are all familiar with. I would like to believe. How many of you have been around for the previous halving? How many halvings have you experienced? Let me know in the chat. Now, which occur approximately every 4 years, right around election time, interesting enough, are pivotal events of the crypto history, as during these events, the rate at which the new Bitcoin is created through mining is reduced, resulting in a reduction of the assets issuance. As alluded by CZ, this supply shock has historically had a significant impact on the price of Bitcoin, preach, resulting in all-time highs in 2013, 2017, and 2021. What does that ultimately look like? It means the year preceding the halving, history shows us, we hit a new all-time high, surpassing the previous all-time high, just like we did in the previous market cycles, which I just outline. Now, CZ's remarks on the potential for new all-time highs following the 2024 Bitcoin halving are grounded in these historical trends. Over the past 3 halvings, Bitcoin has experienced remarkable price surges in the year that followed. Now, CZ offers the following explanation for the data. Again, this is brand new, never shared before, just published, and I'm bringing it to you here first on Crypto News Alerts. Number 1, pre-halving excitement. Are you feeling the pre-halving excitement? Let me know, fam. In the lead up to a Bitcoin halving, the crypto community typically witnesses a surge in excitement, discussions, and media coverage. This phenomenon reflects the anticipation and high expectations surrounding the Bitcoin halving event. Let's freaking go. I'm sure you can feel my excitement each and every day on Crypto News Alerts, right? Number 2, post-halving reality. Contrary to some expectations, the price of Bitcoin does not immediately double overnight following the halving. Instead, the immediate aftermath is often characterized by a period of consolidation and adjustments. That's right, so how'll be that name? And number 3, subsequent price surges. It is the year or years following a Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin's price has historically surged to new all-time highs, entering price discovery mode. This phenomenon is driven by a combination of factors, including increased awareness, growing adoption, and the reduced rate of Bitcoin production. And as such, the remarks find CZ echoing the belief of many Bitcoiners that the asset is becoming predictable and cyclical with its price movements, and as a result from the fact it is sound money whose monetary policy isn't controlled by the governments. Thank God for that. These events serve as a reminder of the digital currency's deflationary characteristics, setting it apart from traditional fiat currencies. Preach. Now for the $60 million price prediction he initially shared back in 2021. Quoting myself in the third party, as this article was published on the Binance feed about me presenting the story, JV, a crypto YouTube influencer, remembers CZ's prediction the Bitcoin would reach $10 million per coin. Pay attention. JV referred to a statement in the video uploaded on YouTube where he analyzed various aspects of the Bitcoin market development. JV looked back at CZ's Bitcoin prediction while analyzing the Binance CEO's recent Twitter comments. And in a Q&A session on July 5th, CZ addressed several of those issues, including Binance's reaction to the ongoing regulatory scrutiny. He also spoke about the rising interest of institutional investors in cryptocurrencies and the proposed infamous BlackRock ETF. Let's go. CZ made the $10 million Bitcoin price prediction back in 2021. This was at the end of September, following MicroStrategy's announcement of allocating Bitcoin for their corporate strategy. And they went on to become the first publicly traded company to do so. That's why I remember that took place in September of 2021. Now, CZ based his analysis on the possibility of several corporate companies like MicroStrategy across the world allocating just 1% of their corporate treasury into Bitcoin. And according to CZ, that would lead to a 1,000x price growth in the value of the flagship cryptocurrency. So let's run the math right there. Help me bring out a calculator. We'll do it together. Here we go. So the Bitcoin price was trading just north of $60,000 in the end of September of 2021. 1,000x times $60,000 is $60 million per Bitcoin. Let that sink in. I hope CZ's right for all of our sakes. Wouldn't that be freaking incredible, to say the least? Anyway, I highlighted CZ's welcoming approach to institutional investors and the Bitcoin ecosystem. CZ noted the advantages of traditional finance firms bringing to the crypto industry, despite concerns about their intentions clashing with Bitcoin's decentralized nature. And according to JV, CZ identified the two key factors driving the Binance strategy for the next 18 months. They include, and it's still in play, fam, the upcoming Bitcoin halving event and the growing interest of institutional investors in the crypto industry, which we're seeing materialize in the form of spot Bitcoin ETF applications on the cusp of being approved by the SEC. He noted that both factors would lead to Binance bracing up for higher trading volumes. Now, as we know, the Bitcoin community expects the next halving event to take place in less than 6 months. What's your thoughts surrounding his $10 million as well as $60 million Bitcoin price prediction, meaning the Bitcoin price growing another 1,000x from the time he made that prediction back in September of 2021? When Bitcoin was trading just north of $60,000. Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below.